guys, today we're back in a normal. Can you please quiet more? Can you please quiet that Alexa? Okay, that was just mean. Okay. There's a song going on from my Alexa, and so as we have tornado outside. Yeah! Dang, I should check. Look. I don't know. That was bright. So that's all for today's video. Oh, no, for today's video. I bet that tornado, it's going to be me versus you. Whatever. So, yeah. There's a tornado. Oh, yeah. But, yeah, that tornado is super strong and it's also really cool. I got wet when I was outside checking what's the weather, so it was quite cold and wet. Dang, that was weird. So that's all for today's video. Bye.